Hello everyone, I'm Priya. I hope you all are safe at your places. So, today we are going to learn a very interesting thing, okay? And that is worst body language mistakes. See, wherever we go, whether it's our interview, it's our first day in the class, or it's our first impression to anyone, okay? Wherever or with whoever we are going to be, our body language speaks louder than our voice. I know this is, very common thing and you all know this, but still people do some mistakes, and here I would like to correct them, and I hope you all are not going to make the same mistakes again. Okay, so let's get started. So the first one and the key to impress others is the eye contact, okay? And we should take care of it, okay? And people do one thing, they make poor eye contact. They look down or at the ceilings or at the walls. No, that shouldn't be there. You know what? Whenever we do such things, whenever we look at other places instead of looking at the listener, this reflects lack of confidence, okay? The listener may think that the person who is speaking in front of me is lying or stretching the truth just because he's not or she is not confident enough to speak about it, okay? Or even they also feel or they also think that the person who's speaking in front of me doesn't have full knowledge of the specific topic, okay? So this is the most important thing whenever we are going to any kind of formal place or informal as well, because we really never know, okay, when, where and when do we have to impress anyone, okay? So never ever miss a chance. Now let's talk about the second one, that is bad posture or slouching. Suppose that if you're speaking in front of someone or just you're listening, okay, and you are giving that person the idea that you are getting bored or you're not interested or you have low self-esteem, it will be bad, right? But you know what, it happens. You never speak such things, but your body language does, okay? So never ever be lazily slouchy, okay? Be straight and have a good posture so that the listener would get to know that the listener is interested, okay? Now let's talk about the other one, crossing or folding arms. You know what, whenever you do this thing, the listener or the person who's in front of you gets to know that you're not so open for ideas to people, okay? And sometimes when I'm crossing my hand and you are speaking something to me, you will obviously think that I'm so aggressive and or I'm just angry, I don't want to listen anything, okay? And suppose that if there is a little kind of argument and I'm crossing my hand, and the person who's so decent will think that okay, I'm going to just punch him, okay? So never be this way. And here we go with the other one, and that is limp handshake. See, this is the thing which we should apply whenever it's something formal, okay? Handshake is a thing we should take care of. There should always be a firm handshake. Don't ever do this limp handshaking thing, okay? It presents that you have lack of confidence, okay, or you have lack of ability to do anything, okay? Never ever squeeze too much, okay? Just a firm handshake, and don't do this limp handshaking as well. I hope this is clear. Now the other one is too much nodding and agreement. Nodding is good. It seems like whenever you nod your head, it reflects that you are a good listener and you're getting everything the speaker is actually trying to tell you. But doing a lot of that is really really not good, trust me. It shows you're not independent, you don't have much knowledge about the certain things, okay? Be a good listener, be responsive, but not too much, okay? So the next one is forgetting to smile. The best thing, you know what, having a smile on face is really magical, okay? wherever you are going, even if the speaker, if the person who is in front of you is off, you can do this magic to him or her. You can totally change his or her mind just by smiling, especially at formal places. Whenever you're going for some interview or any meeting, there has to be a smile, and forgetting to smile is really not good. Like, it shows disinterest, or that you are not engaged in the conversation, okay? And this is the main personal skill one should possess, okay? So never ever forget to smile. This is the main thing, the game changer, okay? I hope today's topic is clear to all of you, and you all know now how to present yourselves, okay? We will be meeting soon in my next video. Till then, please take care of you guys, your loved ones, and be at your places.